Iris and Anthony, and welcome into our home. We are in from the garden, and we're going to show you how we use the items from our garden to make some delicious orange ginger shots. First thing we have to do is soak our vegetables. So we've been soaking them in here. We have some carrots, oranges, and some ginger, and some lime. We've been soaking them here. So they've been soaking good. Also, we have the juicer. We're going to juice it with the KitchenAid juicer. So if you want to, you can watch me put it together. And so we're going to start by taking it out, putting the accessories. KitchenAid is a wonderful tool. You can add to it. It's just more than just one thing. You can do a lot of stuff with it. And one of the things is you can juice with it. So we put the motor in here, we put the strainer in here, I'm prepping everything, getting it ready to juice, or if you are in the chefing business, called mise en place. So we're going to peel the oranges. I technically don't have to do this, but it's just, I just like to get it nice and clean. All right, to make these shots, after we clean everything and scrub everything good, which we've done, we're going to put the 3 medium carrots in here first. So, get started. My already juiced orange and carrot and ginger and lime juice, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of turmeric. And to activate the turmeric, we're going to put some black pepper in. Give it a little bit. Taste it. Nice and a nice little kick. That definitely gets you up in the morning. We're going to pour our shot mixture into these 2-ounce containers and put them in the refrigerator so every morning everybody can grab one and go. And this will boost your immune system, give you tons of beta carotene, which is good for your eyes, and it's got some ginger and turmeric, which is good for inflammation, and so it's just all around good. So try these at home and see if you will like them. I hope you do. You come in and let me know what you think. And thank you for joining us with Gardening with Anthony and Iris. And remember, you take care of the garden, and the garden will take care of you. Have a wonderful day.